Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore a faded steering wheel on John Deere tractor. Or use propane torch. Heat it. Put the center cap back on, 3 clips. Should be able to put the 2 clips here. Just push the clip in, and then push the clip in below here. There you go, looks a lot better. I wouldn't stay too long with the propane torch in one spot because you'll melt your steering wheel. All right, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. If you subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.